Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to take the screenshot without the side buttons. Simply go to the settings and tap on the option advanced features. Then tap on motions and gestures. Here you can see the option palm swipe to capture. Swipe the edge of your screen hand across the screen to take the screenshot. You can swipe from right to left or left to right using your hands. You can see the screenshot is captured. Just wait. You can see, right? And the second method, go to the main page of settings, tap on accessibility, tap on interaction and dexterity. First of all, you need to enable the assistant menu. You can see this assistant menu. You can see this is floating over your screen. You can place this assistant menu anywhere on the screen. Tap on the assistant menu, tap on screenshot. So in these two methods, you can take the screenshot without the side buttons. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.